was best for this 2104 Barcelona Avenue survey is just for me to just you just see what I'm doing. At first, I do the averages, set up front side, back side, do the front side, back side of the total station, and then, it's gonna be horrible. I then measure the buildings, just did the lines of the adjacent buildings, just so we can see when we're doing the actual civil signs. We have to be offset the buildings. We can't build on top of the buildings, and we need to be at least 15 feet from the adjacent buildings. So we'll need to have the adjacent buildings in place on the survey as well, so we get all the vertical locations. And then we go into doing the horizontal, getting everything off the ground, the elevations, the facts. That all takes, so we'll just walk through each point, go to engineer something.
You see that?
Connecting to the receiver now.
You're all connected and ready, or?
Yeah, I guess so. I don't know why it's not connecting.
Has this ever done this before?
No. I guess I have to restart the entire thing.
You're set to the receiver profile and not the robot profile?
I see on the top it's connected to the GNSS. And it has a check mark by it. So select instruments, GNSS rover. It's an F60. And I'm connected to it. Do you want to configure to receiver? Yes. It says connecting to it, and then it says after a minute, receiver now. And it's confusing because the light's on. It's connected. Yeah, it's
I would just shut down the tablet completely to a hard reboot.
Okay. I'll call you back.
No problem.
Plus to do. If I can get this, I just need this so I can get these buildings on the side, so I make sure I'm offset on my civil engineering design enough. And once I get this, I will be able to get the buildings, get some trees, get the poles as well from this point. So I get those poles, trees right there, hydrant. All that matters in the design. Get the proper location of the culvert. I'll probably do that with the stick, but this is loading. Lights are on. So everything's on. It was working earlier. We saw at the working earlier. Everything is set pretty same. Go to survey points, connecting to it. The lights on. So you're not now. That's a nice little black neighborhood. 5% of people like. I don't know. I'm gonna just start a new job. So you can see the lights are on. I have no idea why this is in. I'm gonna leave this job. Start your job. Yes, you're here. Activity's here. Use my text sound? I don't know what's going on. Are you dead? I charged this whole weekend. It better not be dead. There's a green light. Or maybe it's overheated. That'd be crazy if it's overheated. Okay, now it's connected. It's connected now. See, this is why I hate this system. The system sucks. Like, it says it's connecting now. It's connected. That took almost like forever. Wait, survey point. This is way too freaking long. That's why this equipment's not the best. It's connecting to this. It's right there. Now it's on float. I'll give him I'll call him in a second when it's all fixed. What I want to do is get, because there's usually a method to get a more precise measurement. Right now, it's on fixed, but we need this to, like, if I just click this, it's gonna get the instantaneous point. We want it to do the calculations for a couple seconds before it gives us the elevation. So, calling support, which is this one guy who now works remotely, even though we were there this morning to get that answer.
Sorry, lost you.
Hey, John. Okay, so now I'm trying to figure out how to make it measure more precisely. Or go ahead.
So just go to advanced average, like on the survey menu.
Mm-hmm.
What are my choices?
So you mean go to the GNSS survey, like the menu,
On survey menu.
Yeah, I see the map.
I mean, you know where it says job, surveys take out.
Okay, yeah.
What are my choices under survey?
Okay, let me go back. So, jobs, under survey points, advanced averages. Is that what you're talking about?
Advanced average.
Okay, advanced average. Okay. From there?
Yeah. So in that screen, what do you see?
Antenna height, 6.5. Time on point, 60 seconds.
You just have 6.5?
the antenna height is 6.562.
Yeah, 6.562, correct.
Time on point, 60 seconds. Session to execute 5. Pause between sessions 10.
Wait, say that one more time. Time on point, 60 seconds.
Yeah, 60, yeah.
Okay, and then how many repeated?
Sessions to execute 5. Pause between sessions 10.
Okay. So the key to shooting good elevation is not only taking a lot of shots on a point, but it's also giving some time for the satellites to move, and then you shoot it again. That's what that pause is all about.
Okay.
So, you can try. See, a lot of times servers will shoot a point, and they'll come back 15 minutes later and shoot it again. Kind of does like a weighted average, where you take like 100 shots on the point.
Okay.
So you could try that, and just have it pause. You do a couple sessions,
I'm just trying to get my front side and back side. You want me to wait 15 minutes between my front and back?
I'm sorry?
You want me to wait 15 minutes between my front and back side?
Just like if you're putting a point, on the screen, you're really it would be good to shoot, point 1, setup point, backside point, point 2, do like 100 shots for each under advanced averaging, and then to come back and wait, and then shoot those point numbers as the same point number again, and it'll do like a weighted average, but the satellites will be in a different position. So it just gives you added confidence, in the measurement.
So
Do you see what I'm saying?
there's no way to leave it here while I go do something else. I have to.
You can. You just look at the weight in between sessions, increase that time. For
So-
advanced averaging.
So I have to. Yeah.
You'd have to put it on a bipod,
Thank you.
set it up, let it do its averaging.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Someone is asking me questions. I'm on the side of the street. So you want me to? You're telling me to do this, get this point, then pull out my notebook, do the averages of those points, and then that's the number I should go with.
Well, it'll do it itself. It'll do if you call it the same point number. If you shoot it the same point number, it'll average that point automatically.
So just leave it here, and then so I'm gonna go to start.
So that advanced averaging, and it tells you how much time you want it to wait before it starts shooting those points again. So that's, if you wanted to do everything automatically, I would have it, wait 5 minutes in between each round.
So right now it's shooting for 60 seconds. So I'll just leave it here for 60 seconds.
60 seconds, but then that's session 1. And then it's saying how much time you want to wait in between the next time it'll do it. It'll ask you how many sessions do you want to do and how much time do you want to wait in between the sessions.
Okay.
Do you see that on the screen?
It says, I clicked the measure already. I don't want to go back.
So see what it's doing on the screen? It's taking all these shots and setbacks around, like the XY Cartesian plane.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I see it.
So it's going to do its thing.
Why is it disconnecting
When it gets to
RTK?
the end, it'll kind of like
Why the fuck is it doing that?
reinitialize.
Okay. It said something about RTK disconnecting.
Yeah, it disconnects and it's going to reconnect again.
Okay. And now it's going to do its next session.
Yeah.
Okay. And it disconnects completely, and it goes to float.
Yeah.
Right now it's on the red. So it's gonna go to float, and then it's gonna fix again. It's gonna do another 60 seconds, 5 times.
Yeah.
Or how many times it wants until I stop it.
Well, you tell it how many times.
Okay. I didn't pay attention to what the maximum number it is, but I assume it was 5 because I said something about 5 sessions or whatever.
Well, you just said it's what you want, but ideally, I like to take the 2 shots in the street, maybe take 100 shots on them. Then do some field note work, do some busy work, and then shoot them again after 10 or 15 minutes later. That'll give you a nice confidence.
Okay. Okay. So I'll leave this one here. Go to and measure my front and back sight. I'll measure my front sight, then come back again. Set it to 0.100 and measure it again.
Yeah. And if it's really precise, people will. On a point,
I see that the range is increasing or decreasing a lot more with doing this. So I'll let her ride and.
Okay, just kind of get used to that app session, the meeting in between, and
I get to know who Gladys is.
But
I'm gonna find that out right now.
Fool you. There's no GPS meeting, no magic bullet. It's just time.
Okay.
With the network and with satellites.
Okay. I guess the other survey is because of the. I would just go super early in the morning so I can get the rest of my day. That's why I didn't notice the difference. And plus,
Super, definitely, because GPS is a dynamic system.
Okay, so I'll work on this. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
I'm thirsty. A glass of water. Like something. Oh gosh. I found out after I did the survey that everything on the street is force made, which makes complete sense. Like I was looking for the manholes or the mains the entire time. Turns out they don't exist because the reason being because they're all force made, which makes total sense because it's practically flat here in Florida. But I still wanted to know where the entrance of the manhole was. There just wasn't for a long time on these streets. So I at least got some like elevations of where those things are using GPS, and then because it was way down the street. And plus I obtained maps from the county or the city or for Pierce. So we're gonna sit together. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys.